Today I'm going to show you how to build this 6-foot deluxe wood picnic table kit. I picked this up at Home Depot, and it requires about 45 minutes to put it all together. If you have a drill and a wrench and a hammer, would be fine. The legs are pressure treated. The seats and the tabletop are not. So I'm going to show you step by step how it was packed. So if you're thinking about getting one, or if you did already get one and contemplating like me whether or not you should put it all together, after watching this video, I'm sure you will have some courage to start putting this. So what I did was I got all the stuff, I isolated them and put the parts individually, so it'll be easier for me to follow instructions. It comes with all the hardwares you need, so I decided to get the legs all set up. So first I put those two screws and the nuts with the socket and a ratchet all together to make it a little faster, and I screw on the legs onto the tabletop. Then it comes with the third piece that supports the leg as well. I use a drill to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. So once you have both legs in, and you have the supporting I don't want to say beam, but supporting piece of wood there that holds the leg, you flip it up with the help of other person. Then that's where I'm going to put the seats on. It's very easy. It comes with the same type of screws. So once I place these 4 screws on each side, you got yourself a table. I mean, I bought this. It only cost me $119 at the Home Depot. Right before summer, they always have this kind of table available. And I wanted to pick it up for many years. I finally got the courage. So only other thing left to do is put on wood varnish. Please, if you like this video, find it beneficial, don't forget to subscribe.